to Upload Ideas with 𝐜𝐸𝐷𝐺𝐻. Welcome to Upload Ideas with 𝐜𝐸𝐷𝐺𝐻. Welcome to Upload Ideas with 𝐜𝐸𝐷𝐺𝐻. Welcome to Upload Ideas with 𝐜𝐸𝐷𝐺𝐻.
Component used: Arduino Uno, our main component, the brain of this project. If you want to see more videos like this one or better, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon or donate. So I'm leaving the link for donation in the description of this video, my PayPal account. So let's move on. Project, of course, the DFPlayer Mini player. Okay, this module to play the audio. Of course, an SD card. Your SD card should be between 2 GB and 32 GB, formatted with FAT format or FAT32 format. Okay, our SD card. Next, please, the push button, because we're gonna be controlling the audio through push button. The speaker, 20 ohm and 1 watt. Okay, watt, I think watt. Okay, let me start with the connection. I put the DFPlayer Mini on the breadboard. Then the push button on this side of the breadboard. Then this is the 1K ohm resistor attached to the RX of the mini player. Okay, now the pin RX of the DFPlayer Mini will be going to Arduino pin 11. Arduino pin 11. Arduino pin 11. And then let me see. This wire is gonna be going to Arduino pin 10. So the wire is attached to TX of the DFPlayer Mini to Arduino pin 10, just like that. Beep, boop, beep, boop. So next cable. This is the one. You know, guys. You know. I don't need to say something about that, about it. So this is VCC 5 volt. Okay, guys. Now black wire serves for or 2 ground. Okay, so 2 grounds here. So the grounds of the mini player are going to the ground of the Arduino board. Next, of course, this is input pull up. I grounded This is to Arduino pin 2. Okay, this is the input, input. Now we insert the SD card into the DF player, right? Yeah, DF player. Now the speaker, the red wire is to be going to speaker 1, and then the black one to speaker 2. Yeah, and okay, to upload that code. Okay, this is the schematic, guys, the diagram. And then now we need to create an audio. Okay, we're gonna be creating one audio. Okay, so this is the audio. Welcome to Upload Ideas with 𝐒𝐻𝐚𝐧𝐬𝐭. Okay, and for you to download the audio, you need to convert this text into MP3. Okay, and you need to provide the patch code, I think. Now you can play. If you play the anyway, so this is the text converted to audio, and you should rename your audio. Okay, and you rename like that: 001, 002, 003, 004. Okay, like that. For me, I name it 003. Okay, and then you put that audio inside of your SD card so that the audio can be played. Then this is the code. Okay, so your SD card must be like that. Okay, then, and for you to use the your SD card, okay, the DF player, you should create an audio. Okay, so the code is well explained. Okay, and I'm going to provide it in the description of this video.
Welcome to Upload Ideas with 𝐒𝐻𝐚𝐧𝐬𝐭. Welcome to Upload Ideas with 𝐒𝐻𝐚𝐧𝐬𝐭. Welcome to Upload Ideas with 𝐒𝐻𝐚𝐧𝐬𝐭. Welcome to Upload Ideas with 𝐒𝐻𝐚𝐧𝐬𝐭.